Steering wheel is out. Didn't think it was going to be that difficult, but it was a little bit extreme. But it's out, and now I have to, upon further inspection, there's a few things I need to redo. The bracket to the bottom part of the firewall, has to be reinforced more than what I did it with. As you can see, the bolts going through the firewall onto the other side, and it's only drilled through the fiberglass firewall. I'll have to reinforce this with some sort of metal and to make sure that they are stable when I put this thing in. I think the safest thing on this buggy should be the steering and the brakes. The brakes are on, spot on. I got this to the front. The front, everything is brand spanking new from front to the back. But the steering was a little more makeshift, so we're gonna have to work on that. And it's out. Like I said, it was no fun. So this is going to get the EPS, which is right here. That's going to get hooked up in the middle of this column as soon as I can figure out where to cut it. So this end is going to go on this end. So I'm just going to mock everything up a little bit, and I'm going to make some sort of template if I can. This was a brand new column, GM. It wasn't the more expensive ones. I think I paid like $200 for it. I hope I don't ruin this thing, because I hate to pay another $200 for another column. It's a GM column. Those aftermarket ones, really not made very well. Alright. For my next step, on to work. To be continued.